How to apply for support a creator program on Epic Games PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. First thing, go to Epic Games. Now this is the home page. As you can see, click on Unreal Engine and go down, click on your name and click on manage account. Now after you click on manage account, it will take you directly to this page. Now on this page you will find many settings and informations. All what you have to do now is go right here and click on support a creator option. Click get started and now it will take you to this page. Click apply now, and as you can see you can fill all those informations, and after you finish click submit. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.